After black box and white box testing, now we have gray box testing. So what is gray box testing? As we discussed in previous videos, that in black box testing, the internal design structure or the code of project is completely hidden from testers. The testers perform testing on features of application based on end user's perspective. On the other hand, in white box testing, the testers are fully aware of the project design structure and code, and testing is performed based on the logical part of coding or design architecture of the application. But gray box testing is the combination of both black box and white box testing. The another name of black box testing is closed box testing because the logical part is hidden. Similarly, white box testing is called as clear box testing, where the logical part is fully transparent. But the gray box testing is called translucent testing, means partially transparent, because the testers have partial knowledge of project structure and code. Let's discuss how to perform gray box testing. Normally, the testing is performed as per user perspective as we perform in black box testing. But if there is a requirement that test cases should be created based on the exact workflow implemented in the code, then the testers can refer to project code and internal design structure of project. If there is a need, only then we can refer to source code, which can help in creating more test scenarios on that particular feature to find more defects. But in white box testing, the testing is fully performed based on source code. In gray box testing, at first step, you will perform testing similar to black box, in which you will execute your test cases on behalf of end user, like how end user will interact with that application. And during that process, suppose you found any issue. Now you will confirm that whether that issue appears at functionality level, then that can be resolved without troubleshooting further in the source code. But in case you found that scenario is not handled by the developer and you need to reconfirm before raising the bug, then for troubleshooting purpose, you have to check the source code. The test cases could be related to UI, database, or any operation performed. So this is one basic example. Another example would be that suppose you opened any page of website and your website page is not loading and you get some error code. So to troubleshoot further, you can check the logs of that website. So in that case, you should have little bit knowledge of where all logs are getting stored. And suppose you're performing testing on APIs and your API is not responding as per the expectations. So if you have access to source code and database access, then you can troubleshoot and confirm where is the exact issue, and you can directly report that issue to development team for fix. So little bit of knowledge regarding source code, database, error logs, etc. will be helpful in your troubleshooting steps. Otherwise, as a black box tester, if you found any issue and you go to development team and tell them that this thing is not working as expected, then the developers have to troubleshoot further to find exact problem before fix. But if you as a tester have some troubleshooting skills, then it will be easy for development team to fix that issue and save their time. Gray box testing is mainly used in integration testing because in integration testing, we integrate multiple modules and test them together. So in case of any issues or bugs found, there is a possibility that either that feature is not working at front-end level or the implementation of that workflow or test case is missing in development code. But the troubleshooting skills we discussed are helpful at every stage. So this is all about gray box testing. I hope you understood the concept and let me know your feedback in comment section. Till then, stay connected for next videos and subscribe the channel.